Hi guys, today I wanted to show how you can enter the pairing mode on this Tribit StormBox Bluetooth speaker. In order to do so, you gotta enable it. First of all, just press on this turn on button. And as you can see, it have successfully entered the pairing mode due to the power button blinking, but sometimes there is an issue when the device that you are trying to connect this beautiful speaker to does not see it, even though the Tribit StormBox is in the pairing mode. In order to fix that very rare issue, you gotta press on this Bluetooth button once, and after that the issue should be fixed. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.